This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to this another video in Market Talk YouTube channel. Hope it was a profitable trading day. It was a lot of divergence seen now between Nifty and Bank Nifty again. Now Nifty started underperforming and Bank Nifty started performing. Let's see what happened in the market today and understand the view for the remaining days. Before that, disclaimer, please note that the views mentioned here are my personal opinion and any loss incurred by you, we are taking trades based on my views. I will not be responsible. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. Okay, let's go into the charts. So this is the Nifty chart, daily chart. So you can clearly see that this is a mother candle. Okay, last time it took almost more than a month to cross this. This time let us see how it is going to be. It looks like a clear trap because the Nifty PCR is below 1 and the Bank Nifty PCR is 1.1. So this is a doji also formed with a gap. So everything looks a lot of fishy actually, but let us go with the trend because as of now the trend is up with close above the previous day high. So technically we are now in the uptrend now in the short term uptrend again. So we have to see wait for any down move to come only below the low of this mother candle. Okay, and in case of Bank Nifty, if you see Bank Nifty already breached the mother candle high and also this high. So definitely it has become bullish now, and this breakout should see. Let us take this Fibonacci also for this. So Fibonacci gives a target of 25,000, which is our previous high, which from where we fell down from there to 20,000 levels. So now Bank Nifty holding this 24,000 levels, we should see 25,000 levels in the coming days. So remain focused on this Bank Nifty with a stop loss of 24,000. Let us see the power of 2. So in case of power of 2 today, entire day we traded above the long breakout levels only. So a morning I mentioned about like to short 24,000 call at 300. I was expecting that since the power of 2 is well above this, the 200 McGinley is there and the 20 McGinley is here, and we went there to this level. So I was expecting that some pullback should come actually, but the pullback came in the around 1150 only. So till the time when in case of option shorting, the good thing is that even if you're making a mistake in the view, you can recover the loss by shorting the other side. So the shorter 23,500 put and then 23,800 put, so that way we recover the cost and then we're able to come out with a break even. So when there is a mistake means in the option trading, you should do the opposite hedging and little more quantities if required depending on the views, technical view. Okay, so this entire day we are trading about the VWAP, and here around 1150 only for only just 2 minutes we went below the VWAP and then again bounced back. So this was the Bank Nifty, and in case of Nifty also same thing. We went we were staying around the VWAP, the long breakout level, and then we went above the VWAP, and then we came down below the VWAP, then roaming around the VWAP for entire day almost till 2 o'clock, and then the last 1.5 hours we went above the VWAP and the power of McGinley also. So here we got the opening itself, we got the breakout actually. So power of 2 gave a buy signal. Unless we go below 11,800, we will not be getting a sell signal in the Nifty. Same case for Bank Nifty also, both are in a buy signal. So let's go to the charts. In case of hourly charts, what's there in the play? So in case of hourly charts, again the market is trying to break the previous high, which were from where it fell down 12,000 levels. But thing is that today the entire day, it's 2 hour chart actually. Entire day we've been roaming in the very small time frame actually. So big breakout is expected to be seen. Possibly we may test 12,000 or give a breakout. But looks like considering the FI data as of now, still they are not giving up. They are holding long positions. But however, they are holding more than the long position. Long put is there 3 times almost. We'll see the data also. But as of now, 12,000 looks like some target for time being intraday again. Make a triple top actually. Already will make a triple top. Like on 12th October, we saw some on top, and then again 14th October we saw some top. Now again, if you go touch 12,000 and come back, then it will be a triple top. And it will be very good resistance for Nifty in the short term. I'm not expecting the Nifty to break 12,000 levels on closing basis. Even if it goes also, then we should see some down moves in the immediately next day. So let's see the Bank Nifty also. But Bank Nifty becomes very strong now. With even Bank Nifty ratio has been around 1.9 for some time. Now it has gone about 2 and now it's 2.05. So the ratio is a Bank Nifty spot price divided by Nifty spot price. You use the ratio actually. And in case of Bank Nifty, as I mentioned, 24,000 level is what is the stop loss for your longs. And then once we sustain above this level, then 25,000 should be the target in the normal scenario. But the thing is that Nifty PCR should cross above 1 till tomorrow. If that doesn't happen, then Nifty can pull down actually. Sentiment can become weak. So just need to watch for Nifty PCR. It's very, very important because Nifty also need to move up actually to support Bank Nifty, because to some extent Nifty Bank Nifty can be divergent and move again, but Nifty also need to move up to support the Bank Nifty and the market sentiment. And let us see the Ichimoku cloud also. Ichimoku cloud, we've been seeing that it is very bullish, no doubt, but here a Hell Fisher is about to give a buy signal. And in case of Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen is a buy signal. Unless we go below this Kijun-sen, at least the 11,400 will not become weak in Nifty. And in case of Bank Nifty, now Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen crossover has happened, and the Hell Fisher also is giving a reversal now above the cloud, and this future Ichimoku cloud also is become turning green. So that way now, keeping a stop loss of 23,000 in the Ichimoku cloud, we can go long. Okay, that's the only thing. Now the target should be 25,000. The short covering, entire short covering will come into play, and 25,000 should not be a big problem. Today the option pain also moved from 23,500 to 24,000 in just one day. And let us go to the second setup, Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is giving indication that now target is 12,200 actually for the upper Bollinger Band. This is the resistance. But today the candle formation looks very, very problematic actually. It's not giving the clear evidence of a moving upside. Being a doji also formed, and then there's a gap here. All these things are giving some wrong signals actually, fake signal. So let us see, wait for the tomorrow's move and get a confirmation. So today's high and low will be a very clear indication of the breakout above this today's high and low will be a confirmation. And in case of Bank Nifty, 24,700. So 24,700 should be a next target, which is around 200 points only. Sorry, 2,500 points away. But however, the option pain need to move also. Option pain is around 24,000 levels. Tomorrow, keep an eye on 24,500 call option. That's one is going to give a trigger. And in case of third setup, our Heikin Ashi, now we got a green bar with open equal to low. So now it is the trend has reversed from Heikin Ashi perspective also. So now any shorting now should be avoided from case of Nifty particularly and Bank Nifty. But look for the PCR today. Entire day it was below 1 only, 0.85. So that is looks something fishy. Tomorrow at the open we should see PCR above 1 at least. And in case of Bank Nifty, the clear green bar with Heikin Ashi open equal to low. So Bank Nifty, don't never try to think of shorting the Bank Nifty now. Now coming to the EMA, and today exactly the Nifty got registered at the 5-day high EMA. So tomorrow the today's high, what are the 11,896, 11,900. Nifty sustaining above 11,900, we should try to exit shorts in case if we have any. Because this is our final warning, 11,900 will be the final warning. Any close above 11,900 will be again 100 points easy move can be seen in the Nifty. And in case of Bank Nifty, today we closed above the 5-day high EMA, so it is confirmation, double confirmation of Bank Nifty in the bullish zone. Now go to the key data. So as I mentioned, the PCR is what giving a divergent indications. Bank Nifty PCR at 1.16 and Nifty PCR at 0.87. And even FIs are not giving any lead actually. In case of index futures, continuously for the past 6 days, almost like 6-7 days, they're holding around 40,000-50,000 levels and they're not giving up at all. And however, the stock futures, they're slowly coming down or they're not moving up at all, increasing any stock futures. So indicating that now they're exhausted in the stock futures and they're holding some stock futures, which is very, very important in their portfolio, and they're not giving up that stock futures. And they might be averaging out on the any dips. So in case of index futures, 47,000 contracts they're holding, but however they're holding 3 times of that as hedge for the index put option. And this is for the stocks and cash which they're holding, and also for the index futures, the stock they're holding, stock futures they're holding in the long positions. So this is the hedge for them actually. And in case of Pro, if you see, they're having a very clear sells on the calls actually on every rise. They're shorting the calls and they're holding very minimal long futures. And in case of highest open interest, 2500 call is there, which you have to note of. So this 24,500 call will give a lead on what is the next plan. So in case these people give up, then the market can move to the next 25,000 very easily. But in case of Bank Nifty, 23,500 is the highest open interest put. You see, they are not holding like 24,000 put is not being sold in the top 10. So that way it is an indication that the put writing is not happening very heavily. So they're very cautious. 24,000 put, if you see, it is 7.6 lakhs and very easily they'll exit. So 23,500 after that to 24,000. This 23,800 put is 3 lakhs only. So keep a watch on 24,000 put. In case they start going below the VWAP, above the VWAP, then it's a clear signal that market is coming down. But the PCR also should cool down, and that is important for taking short positions. And in case of Lakshman Rekha, very clear signal, and it is a positive. And then in case of midpoint also for the week, it is 714 points above the midpoint, and in case of 50 points above the midpoint. Any close below 11,800 at least, then only we can consider going for any shorts for the current week expiry. And the short breakout is 24,000 level and long breakout 24,700. The range is very less. Normally it becomes 1,000 points actually, and this time it is only 700 points. So tomorrow try to capture the game on the upside or downside, making this a short breakout or long breakout. And in case of Nifty, short breakout 11,845 and 11,934, almost just 100 points only. So tomorrow we'll try to capture on the downside by buying 11,800 put, on upside 11,950 call or 2,000 call. But it's going to be, game is going to be very interesting in the next 2 days. Any breakout will come on either side. And in case of Nifty, today, as I mentioned in the Telegram channel also, the range was just 80 points. If you see the last time, it was not even 80 points. Like 3rd September, we saw 81 points. After that, what happened next day? We came down actually, we came down by almost how much? 1158 was the close, and then we came down by almost 120 points on downside. Expect some similar game also possible on this day, because I'm not expecting 12,000 to come, considering the PCR. And in case of Bank Nifty also possible that Bank Nifty can be pulled down actually. But however, the range was not so much pathetic like Nifty. But in case of Bank Nifty, 624 points is the range for the day. Midpoint is very clearly indicating that the Bank Nifty is going to break out. So it was 23,450 on 16th. Now it has gone 24,098. So keep a tab on this midpoint. In case we go below this on 16th October, 23,450. Any midpoint happening below 23,450 is the first indication of weakness. Otherwise, you have to ride the up move in the Bank Nifty. And in case of Nifty, still we have to cross 11,941 midpoint. Then only we can see some reversal. Till the time, possible that we can go above this also, or reverse from here and go down. But Nifty is going to give some leads actually in the coming days. So PCR, Bank Nifty has gone overboard, 1.16 PCR for Bank Nifty, and in case of Nifty it is 0.87. Now Nifty started underperforming. Considering the volatility for tomorrow, 24,916 is the possible high and 23,777 is the possible low. And in case of Nifty, 12,000 is the possible high and 11,700 is the possible low. So keep a tab on these levels. Possible we may not get into those levels also, but on expiry day there's a possibility, or on Friday. Astro is indicating that possible there's a good down move on Friday is possible. Otherwise, other days not so much on negative days actually. Okay, then what else then? Okay, that's the only thing. So hope you like the video. It's a very simple thing. Just tomorrow keep an eye on Nifty. Nifty is going to give some leads. Please subscribe and like this channel so that I can come with some interesting views. Thank you.